Hi my friend, today we are making super juicy pineapple beef in just 20 minutes. Carve the beef into large chunks. Season with black pepper, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Then let it marinate for 5 minutes. Pineapples in the UK are such a bargain, only 98 pence for a whole one. Carve the pineapple into chunks about the same size as the beef. Add the beef and pineapple to the air fryer together. Lightly spray with a little oil. Air fry at 383 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 Celsius for 6 minutes. Remove the rack so the sauce can coat everything better. Add honey and chili powder. Then mix well. Air fry again at the same temperature for another 8 minutes. Thanks for cooking with me. If you love quick healthy meals, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.